Alright guys, I'm getting ready to go in Hobby Lobby and see what they got. I love me some Hobby Lobby. Especially around Christmas time. I could stay in that store for hours just looking at stuff. But let me go looking and see what they got. I do want some flowers for my vases, the fall flowers, but right now I got a different flower, summer flower, but I'm gonna leave that in there till maybe end of August. But I want to find some flowers, and this is the best time to get it because those things go fast. But I only get it when it's on sale, so when they be 40% off. All right, see y'all inside. Okay, I got a lot of fall.
Mommy, what is this?
Stuff. What is these a scraper? I need something like this. How much are these? Fall stuff is 40% off. This is fall. I'm getting these because I'll be needing one of these to scrape. Fall stuff is 40% off. They have these. You got the gnomes. $7.99 with 40% off. What is this? This is cute. Brown. Oh, this biscuit cutter. Oh, this is like some measuring tape. Oh, look at those plates. Those are pretty. Look at those blue ones. Oh, I like the place with the truck. What is this? There's the price list there. Table. Are those chargers on there? Oh, platters. Oh, this is a platter. Just consider fall. It's like a platter, I guess. Fall galore. Look at all this fall stuff. Daniel, stop. Pumpkins. Pumpkins.
Pumpkins
All the way to the ceiling.
Pumpkins everywhere.
They got
Even got this type
fall
of
socks.
Even got three
This one
pumpkins.
says, who's judging?
Even got three pumpkins super glued on its top together.
This say cute as pie. Look at these little scarecrows hanging out. Look at all that stuff.
Mommy, smell it. It smells like cinnamon, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Let me
I
check
like
it.
it because it smells just like cinnamon. I mean, F-A-L. Mommy, these look like all the plants from Frozen. Really? See? I think it's like white.
Look at this
Henry to the
garland.
front, Henry to the front.
Pretty. All of this garland. Move thing. For people that like to do fall trees and put stuff on their fireplace. Look at that banner. Those are banners. All this stuff. All of this fall stuff. Stickers.
Hear me?
You got to wait.
Okay.
Those are cute with all the different pumpkins in there.
Look at it.
$69.99. And it's 40% off.
Can you just vacuum in here?
Look at those mushrooms. Oh, these are the ones you see up front. $6.99, 40% off. All this stuff. Fall. Pumpkins galore. I like that color with the 3 different colors. Or 2 different colors. It's pretty. This is spring stuff that's on sale. They say this stuff is select home group of home decor, 75% off. This mirror is $99.99. That's the regular price. They got it covered up. Is that a clock or just that's a big mirror down there. $37. Old Town clock.
How do they make this type of stuff? Look, it's moving.
Oh, this is spring stuff. And 70. No, this is not spring. This is home decor. That's 75% off. But most likely it's spring stuff. Oh, I like this. I'm a chalkboard. Blessings coming down. Prayers going up. Blessings coming down. $4.49. I need something like this. These dream catchers. Some people dream the dream. Some people live the dream. Some people defend the dream. Fighting from wife. Phone fees, $1 not here. Get out just the secret ingredient is always love. Wonder how much that is. This is spring, so it's probably $44.99, and it'll be 66% off for that. I like that. I don't know where would I put it. Can I make it? God, One Nation. $6.49. Never throw in the towel. Use it to wipe the sweat and keep going. Hot bath. Wash, soak, relax. This is gamer stuff.
Yeah, I'm a gamer.
A day without gaming is like just kidding. I have no idea. Gamer. How much is that? 37.
Mommy, I'm a gamer.
I should get some of this stuff for y'all room. I like that poster. That stuff down there is beach.
Mom, you could
and
get
different
this
things.
one.
How much are these? $24.99. Those are all like drying mats.
That's it. Look, mommy.
Oh, that's like a lunchbox.
Yeah. What the? Mommy, look.
Sweet.
Popcorn.
Ribbons here.
Fall.
Fall ribbons.
Mommy,
Flowers down here. Oh, the fall florals are on sale. I like these, but these are too small. $2.99, 40% off. I like those. Pretty fall flowers. There'd be so many that you don't even know what to pick. They're so pretty. I love all the deep, rich colors that they have for fall. So beautiful. And all of the flowers right now are 40% off. I want something like that for my living room to match with my living room. These are all fall, and I'll show y'all like the spring and summer looking ones. So pretty. They're all different prices. These are like spring and summer ones. Those are pretty. Pinkish purple. So pretty. Love it. In Hobby Lobby so long. It's 1:30 now. We're going in the Whole Foods and get us some lunch. It's so muggy out here. It's like humid. All right, see y'all when we get in. Outside eating, and this is what Daniel got. Why you eat with your hands? He got those Asian noodles with some fried chicken and some hamburger, macaroni and cheese that look like lasagna. I got the same thing. I got hamburger, macaroni and cheese, and some yellow rice, which is like the Spanish rice with a little chicken, and pot roast. I had this before, but not the macaroni and cheese. They call it macaroni and cheese, hamburger macaroni and cheese. But we about to grab that store. Cause my son like to come and look at the pets. We had 1 second. What, these are parakeets?
Yeah. I know about them.
They went up. They used to be cheaper than that. $42.99 for one pair. What are these? Rabbits? They're big. That one is real big.
Oh, it's a hamster. See right there. Dang, nobody. It looked like nobody wanted him. The only one in there.
Look at all this fish. You scared of snakes? I said, you scared of snakes?
Huh?
You scared of snakes?
No.
I am.
Not the wild ones. Only like the snakes that they like pet. Like in the pet store.
You said you're not scared of the wild ones?
I am scared of the
Oh.
wild ones.
How does it get blue?
They put the like color and stuff up there and like blue lighting. It kind of look like it's dark to them.
Oh, they glow in the dark. That's why they did that.
Oh, I see it. The black and yellow one.
Can I get this?
They like anybody. They just want somebody to take them home.
The baby.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
And be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.